Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile picture in Monopoly Go. To change your profile picture in Monopoly Go, first of all, open up the Monopoly Go application on your device and make sure that you're inside this homepage. Now, tap on the menu button at the top right corner, which is the three lines, and click on your current avatar at the top of the screen. You will then be able to select a different avatar from the avatar list. If you want to upload your own picture, then you'll need to go ahead and tap on the Facebook logo over here and continue signing in with Facebook. If you already have signed in with Facebook, then your current Facebook profile picture will be used as your avatar in Monopoly Go. Simply go ahead and select the avatar that you'd like to use and tap on save, and there you have successfully changed your avatar in Monopoly Go. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it to be helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Monopoly Go tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.